Hi guys, just in case if the windows in your car, the automatic windows in your car aren't rolling up or are getting stuck in between the tracks over here, and especially if it's an old car, then before going for you know diagnosing if there's an issue with the switches or the motors, just do one simple thing. Cover the tracks. Lower the window altogether first. Get some piece of cloth over here, cover it. Basically, we are trying to protect the paint, and using a WD40 multi-purpose cleaner, a simple WD40 multi-purpose cleaner that comes around 150 rupees per can. You just need to spray this the cleaner inside the tracks, all over this place, all over the window like this. Yeah, so basically you need to spray it inside the tracks where the glass is slotted. You just need to spray it, okay, throughout the window basically. Just throughout the window, spray it, and what it would do, it would basically soften the material. It is a sort of a cushioning material over here. It might have some dust, or might have collected some dust or grime over the years. So what you need to do is spray it gently. The inner basically is using this nozzle, spray it inside and let it rest for around 10-15 minutes. Do it for all four windows, whether those are automatic or not. You spray it all throughout these tracks, and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. The purpose of this cloth is this might corrode, or might have an effect on the paint of your car. So just as a precautionary measure, use this rag to ensure that the paint the WD40 does not affect the paint in whatsoever manner. But this would definitely do the trick. In my case, it was getting stuck and I was not sure what the issue was. So basically, it was it used to get stuck at random times. So currently, as you can see, it is operating quite smoothly, while going up and while going down as well. And that is the case for all four windows, as you can see over there, operating quite smoothly for a more than 11-year-old car. So that's a quick video. You can also search for WD40 car window cleaning on Google, and you'll find the same steps mentioned over there as well. So this was a quick video, guys. Thank you.